Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Valsalva versus the Toynbee. So let's look at Valsalva first. So Valsalva, the maneuver is by blowing with the closed nose and mouth. So you blow with the closed nose as well as the mouth, and the pressure build up in the nasopharynx. So the nasopharynx pressure build up will be positive. So pressure buildup is going to be positive. And what is the test for? So this is a test for the ET patency. So it is for the ET patency. Next is the result on the tympanic membrane. So what will be the result on the TM? So result on the TM is that the TM moves out. The TM, it moves out. Then what are the contraindications? So it is a test for the ET patency. The results on the tympanic membrane is that the tympanic membrane, it moves out. And the contraindications, it should be contraindicated in terms of the atrophic tympanic membrane as well as in terms of the acute infections. So acute infections in the nose as well as the pharynx. Now then we look at the Toynbee's maneuver. It is a Toynbee maneuver. So in terms of the Toynbee maneuver, it is the swallow with closed nose. So swallow with closed nose and mouth. So you close the nose as well as the mouth and you swallow. And the pressure build up in the nasopharynx. The pressure in the nasopharynx, this is going to be negative. Then what is the test for? The test is for the ET function. And what will be the result on the tympanic membrane? So if we look at the result on the tympanic membrane is that the tympanic membrane, it moves inwards. So tympanic membrane, it moves inwards as well as it can retract. So it moves inwards as well as it retracts. Now what will be the CI, that is the contraindications of this? The contraindication of Toynbee is the atrophic tympanic membrane, that is also in the Valsalva, it is a contraindication. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.